another product to unbox. And this is the humidifier. Dehumidifier, guys. And model is N-90. On and off, then lights indicator here, and back cover is where the cord is hiding. So this is where you put the water here, and it's the temperature is 59 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's too cold, like below 59 degrees, it won't work. So yes, let's try it, guys. And I like it because it's not small and not very big, and you can just put it in a small space. So let's try it. Here's the water, and let's cover it. Then let's wipe the back of here, like the metal here. It needs to be clean, otherwise it won't work according to the manual. So it's all in, and let's turn it on. So I already plugged it in, and let's turn it on. Oh, look at that. I can feel it. And so the color right now, it's kind of pink, purple. It's kind of purple, and let's try to change the color. Oh. So just short press for this one, and the color will steady. And press it again for different colors. See? Purple or pink. Pink now. Then orange. Blue. purple again. It's cute, guys, and it's working. I'm so happy for this because, yeah, it's cute. And I will find a place for this one since I'm just testing here in my table. And you won't put it in against the wall or any objects. So it should be free, like free space. And this is a thumbs up for me. Then you can buy this product at Amazon. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.